You're in the shower cleaning your ears, or maybe you're using a cotton swab and you see that yellowish stuff, earwax. Most of us think it's gross, dirty, and something we need to remove as quickly as possible. But what if I told you that earwax is actually one of the smartest and most important things your body produces? Your ears are making wax right now at this exact moment, and they have a very good reason for it. In fact, without earwax, your hearing would be in serious danger. Today we're going to uncover the hidden truth about why your ears produce earwax and what its extremely important job really is. Once you finish this video, you might never look at earwax the same way again. This is the surprising science and story behind earwax on Story Behind the Things. Let's start with the basics. Earwax, also known by its scientific name cerumen, is not actually waste or dirt. It's a natural, protective substance made by your body. It's produced in the outer part of your ear canal by special glands, sebaceous glands and ceruminous glands. These glands mix oils, sweat, dead skin cells, and hair to create this waxy substance. So why does your body go through all this trouble? Because earwax is like a superhero bodyguard for your ears. It has three incredibly important jobs. First, it protects your ears from dust, dirt, bacteria, viruses, and even small insects. Think of it as a sticky trap. Anything that tries to enter your ear canal gets caught in the wax before it can reach your delicate eardrum. Second, it keeps your ear canal lubricated and moist. Without earwax, the skin inside your ears would become dry, cracked, and itchy, which can lead to infections and discomfort. Third, and this is really cool, earwax is naturally antibacterial and antifungal. It contains special enzymes and compounds that actively fight off infections. Your earwax is literally cleaning and protecting your ears 24 hours a day. Now here's something surprising, not all earwax is the same. Scientists have discovered there are two main types, wet earwax and dry earwax. This is actually genetic. Wet, sticky, honey-colored earwax is more common in people of European and African descent. Dry, flaky, grayish earwax is more common in people of East Asian descent. This difference is linked to a single gene and even tells an interesting story about ancient human migration. Your ears are self-cleaning, that's right, you don't actually need to clean deep inside your ears. The skin in your ear canal grows outward very slowly like a conveyor belt, and it naturally pushes old earwax out of the ear. When you chew, talk, or move your jaw, this process gets even faster. The wax eventually falls out on its own, usually while you're sleeping or showering. So when should you clean your ears? Only the outer part. Using cotton swabs, bobby pins, or ear candles is actually dangerous. Doctors strongly warn against putting anything smaller than your elbow inside your ear. You can push the wax deeper, damage your eardrum, or even cause serious infections. In fact, one of the most common reasons people visit ear doctors is because they have impacted earwax caused by trying too hard to clean their ears. Throughout history, earwax has been viewed differently across cultures. Ancient Egyptians used earwax in some medicines. Some animals like dogs and cats also produce it, but humans produce much more because our ears are more exposed. Modern science continues to study earwax. Researchers can actually analyze earwax to detect stress levels, exposure to pollution, and even certain diseases. In the future, your earwax might help doctors diagnose health conditions without blood tests. So the next time you see earwax, don't be disgusted, be grateful. Your body is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, protecting one of your most important senses. Your ears are incredible self-cleaning, self-protecting machines, and earwax is the unsung hero making it all possible. If you learned something new today and will think twice before using cotton swabs, hit that like button. Subscribe to Story Behind the Things and turn on notifications so you never miss the surprising science behind everyday things in your body. Tell me in the comments, were you cleaning your ears the wrong way? Or what other body mystery should I explain next? Like why we have belly buttons, why we yawn, or why we get eye boogers. Thank you so much for watching. Stay curious, trust your body, and I'll see you in the next video on Story Behind the Things.